Hi, this is from the channel. There's something about capybara that just screams chill. Maybe it is their relaxed body language or the fact they are happiest when they're re-chilling in the water. But there's a scientific reason why these little guys are always so chill, and it has to do with their brains. Okay, so back to the video. You think capybaras are chill because they seem unafraid of humans. And yeah, they are generally chill around us meat eaters who might want to eat them. But they're also super chill around each other. Like, it's not uncommon for a bunch of them to just hang out together in a group. Just kick back, relax, enjoy the nice weather. Even though they're hanging out in a group, they're still chill. Like, they don't seem to get worked up over anything. They're not super territorial. They don't fight much. They're basically the chillest large mammals on Earth. We can thank their weird brain chemistry for that. See, almost all mammals have a gene called AVPR1A, which stands for arginine vasopressin receptor 1A. And this gene is all about social bonding. Like, it's the reason prairie dogs can recognize their colony mates and stick with them for life. It's also why male mice will fight to keep other males out of their ladies' den. Basically, if a mammal has this gene, they're going to be social. It's like having relationships with other members of their species and being emotionally connected to them. But capybara, those chill vibes, come from an altered version of this gene. This version is unable to produce enough receptors to receive the hormones that the gene is supposed to send. And as a result, adult capybara don't really form strong social bonds. Like, they don't really care if they're hanging out with their relatives or total strangers. Now, this might be bad news for a highly social animal, because it means they might not get the support of their colony or mates. But for a semi-aquatic mammal that lives in groups, but doesn't really depend on the group for its survival, it's actually great. Like, it's perfect for a chill lifestyle. And scientists think this mutation might have actually been a critical adaptation that allowed capybara to evolve into the world's biggest rodent. See, before the mutation, capybaras were probably like other rodents, small and fast and living in groups. This made them vulnerable to predators like jaguars, which needed a fast meal. But over time, this one gene changed. Mutation made the ancestors of capybara chill out, which made them less likely to flee from danger. And that meant they could grow bigger without being killed by jaguars. Jaguars can't catch and eat a 150-pound rodent. So the coast was clear for the capybara to grow into the giant rodent we know today. It's actually pretty similar to how domestic dogs became domesticated. They were selectively bred by humans for certain behaviors, like being chill around us and not biting our hands off. And over time, they evolved to have less fear and anxiety around people. And since nobody is really hunting wolves anymore, they've evolved to become much larger than their wild cousins, the gray wolves. And it's not just this one gene that makes capybara so chill. They also have genes that downregulate their stress response. Basically, they have a super chill nervous system. In fact, scientists cloned one of these genes and found that it reduced anxiety in mice. So maybe someday we can take a little piece of that capybara chill pill ourselves. Thanks for watching.